everyone, I just made ballerina cappuccino one, and this is the second, two, and the three. Yes, and can you please search what do you want if you grown up? Me, I'm gonna turn 9 because my birthday is October 17, 2016. Shut up! And how? Go up and do this yourself. Okay? Okay. So, here. Get a pencil or ball pen. And you can draw a heart. Just like that. You can miss the piece. And this is the dress. And this is the dress. And like this. There. And next is her neck and the hand. And this one. Like that. It's kind of impossibly like that.
Walang tinukoy si Undersecretary Claire Castro kung sino-sino ang tinutukoy niya.
You kinda be like that. And next is her head.
Depende kung nakalinyang issue sa prinsipyo nila. Tulad halimbawa
and this
na maging bahagi ng prosecution panel sa impeachment trial ni Vice President Duterte.
Hindi naman natin pwedeng sabihin na lahat ng polisiya lang ng posisyon ng Marcos administration.
And her hawakan there, and her feet.
Ayon mismo kay Attorney Chel Jokno na inaasang papasok sa Kamara bilang Akbayan Party List representative.
Like that. And right here.
This is a great opportunity for those who are progressive minded, who are really fighting.